Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel to grow day by day. This is a JEE Main question from General Mathematics, or it is geometry. The circle of radii A, B, C, when A is less than B less than C, touch each other externally. If they have x-axis as a common tangent, then which option is correct? 1 over square root A equals to 1 over square root B plus 1 over square root C. A, B, C are in AP. Third option is square root A, square root B, square root C are in AP. And 1 over square root B equals to 1 over square root A plus 1 over square root C. So this is a very interesting question. So this is the figure for this, where it's your A dash is your small a, B dash is the radius of the second, that is B, and C dash is your C. So such that A, B, C is true. It's good. Now we have to find which option is correct. For this, how I am proceeding? I am proceeding in this way. I want to find the distance BF, so that B dash A dash equals to your, we'll find in term of ABC. So first I am starting from AB. AB equals to your B plus A, and BD equals to B dash minus B dash D. This is same as your B dash is B, and B dash D can be same as your A dash, that is your B minus A. So now in triangle BDA, I can use Pythagoras theorem. Your AD square plus BD square equals to AB square, or AD square equals to AB square minus BD square. This AB is equals to B plus A square, and minus BD equals to B minus A square. So AD square equals to B square plus A square plus twice AB minus A square minus B square plus twice AB, 4 times of AB. Oh, this gives me AD equals to 2 square root AB. In the same way, I'll get AC, AE square from the triangle ACE. CA equals to your small m plus small a. AC equals to small c plus small a, and your CE equals to small c minus a. CE equals to small c minus small a. So here AE square equals to AC square minus CE square in triangle AEC by Pythagoras theorem. So AE square equals to C plus A whole square minus C minus A whole square. This is 4 times of AC. So this gives us AE equals to 2 square root AC. Now AD plus AE equals to your, then AD plus AE 2 root over AB plus 2 root over AC. What is AD plus AC? AD plus AC is nothing but your BF. This is BF. Now we'll go to this triangle to find the BF. Here, if I'll take this point as P, that is B, this CF is equal to C, then BC equals to B plus C, and CF equals to your C minus B. This is C minus B. So in triangle BCF, BF square is same as BC square minus CF square. I repeat here, in triangle BCF, F square equals to BC square minus CF square. Is equals to B plus C whole square minus C minus B whole square. So BF square equals to 4 BC, or BF equals to 2 square root BC. Now AD plus AE is same as DE. DE is equal to BF. DE equals to DA plus DAE, that is same as your 2 root over AB plus 2 root over AC, and this is same as your BF. So equating them, we'll get 2 root over BC equals to 2 root over AB plus 2 square root AC. 2 cancelling. So dividing throughout by square root ABC, get BC over square root ABC equals to AB by square root ABC, square root of AC by square root ABC. We'll get 1 by square root A equals to 1 by square root B plus 1 by square root C. So first option is correct. This is the correct option. So I think you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.